In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF in DocHub. This is a quick and simple process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you need to upload and work on a PDF online. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. You can use any common browser you prefer. In the search bar, type in DocHub and look through the results carefully so you can find the correct website. Taking a moment here helps make sure you're heading to the official platform. Once the search results appear, click the correct link for DocHub. This will take you to the main website where you can access your documents and tools. If the page takes a second to load, just give it a moment before moving on. Next, sign into your account. Depending on how you use DocHub, you may sign in with your email account or another connected login method. Make sure you enter your information on the official page and wait until the dashboard fully loads. The dashboard is the main workspace where you'll manage and open your files. After you're signed in, open the folder on your computer that contains the PDF you want to use. It's a good idea to locate the file before uploading so the process goes smoothly. If you have a lot of files in that folder, you may want to quickly confirm the file name so you drag the correct PDF. With both windows visible, your DocHub dashboard and the folder containing your PDF, click and hold the PDF file from your computer window. Then drag it over to the DocHub dashboard page and drop it anywhere on that page. This drag and drop method is one of the fastest ways to upload a file, and it helps you skip extra browsing steps. As soon as you release the file, DocHub will begin uploading it. In most cases, the upload happens very quickly, especially for smaller PDF files. Once the upload is complete, the PDF will open instantly in the editor. At that point, your file is ready to view and work with directly inside DocHub. If the document doesn't appear right away, just wait a few moments for the upload to finish completely. And that's it. You've successfully opened a PDF in DocHub by searching for the site, signing in, locating your file, and dragging it into the dashboard so it opens in the editor.